All right. Here, we're going to write a rule to describe each transformation. The trick here is to figure out what consistent action will map each point onto its each pre-image onto its image point. So, for example, here I is up and back to I prime, J is up and back, and H is up and back. So what we're going to do is we're going to write this rule as XY gets mapped to, since this goes back 1, X minus 1, and since it goes up 1, Y plus 1. We could have also written that we're translating by the vector -1, +1. That'd be one option. Oops, let's get this up. Or you could just say left and up, right? But these are a little better. So this is translating by a vector, and you can kind of see how this correlates. The -1 means X minus 1. The +1 is the Y plus 1. And this is like a function notation, so you take each point and you perform some sort of action on the coordinates to move it. And I'm going to write them, I'll probably write them in the vector form, which you can kind of translate to the function form if you want. Alright, so let's see. W to W prime is down 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's getting mapped back 4 and down 4. All right, and we're just going to double check Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same. The other points are all the same. So you're good there. Here, or I guess we could have written XY gets mapped to X minus 4, Y minus 4. All right, over here from W to W prime is forward 3, down 2. So that's 3, -2. Oop. Forward 3, down 2, 3, -2. Or I guess I could write XY gets mapped to X plus 3, Y minus 2. Over here, let's see, from S to S prime is back 1, 2, 3, and up 2. So it's -3, +2, or you could write that XY gets mapped to X minus 3, Y plus 2. Here, from J to J prime is forward 1, 2, forward 2 up 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward 2 up 4. So it is 2, 4. Or you could write X plus 2, that XY gets mapped to X plus 2, Y plus 4. Over here, from V to V prime is forward 1, up 1. So that is 1, 1, or X plus 1, Y plus 1. Here's the function notation. Here, from R to R prime is 1, 2, 3, forward 4, down 1, 2, 3. So forward 4, down 3. Over here, from H to H prime is back 2, down 2. So back 2, down 2. For number 9, from W to W prime is back 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 2, down 4. So that's -2, -4. Over here, from Q to Q prime, up 1. So that would be no left, right, and plus, I wouldn't write the plus 1. Also, if you're going to write the function notation on this one, you'd write XY gets mapped to, X, because X doesn't change, and then Y plus 1. Down here, from P to P prime, forward 2, up 2. So it is, or forward 2, up 1, so 2, 1. And over here, from X to X prime is back 1, up 3. So it's -1, +3. Alright, so the trick is you just, and if they're trying to ask you what's the rule, I mean, you're going to assume that it actually is a translation, so the same action is going to work on all the points. It's a good idea to double check, though, I suppose, in case it's a trick question or something. So yeah. And then your vector notation, just the x change and the y change. Okay? How much did x change? How much did y change? Positive or negative tells you what direction. In the function notation, you just take this and you turn it into the point xy gets mapped to x minus 1, y plus 3. Pretty easy switch. Good luck with these.